Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now, another tool that you can use to connect to a web page or a slide is called an action button. Now, action buttons are built-in shapes you can add to a presentation and set to link to another slide, play a sound, or perform a similar action. Now, to insert an action button on one slide, go to the Insert tab, then click the Shapes command. Now, the action buttons will be located at the very end. Then select the action button you want to use, then click anywhere on your slide to add it. Now, an action setting dialog box will appear and you can select the mouse click or the mouse over tab. Now, the mouse click means that the action button will perform its action only when clicked. And the mouse over tab means that the action button performs its action only when you move the mouse over it. Now, I'll come to mouse click. Then select hyperlink to and make sure it's on next slide. Then I can check this if I want it to play a sound. Then come and make a selection of the sound that I want. Then once I'm done, I'll click OK. So that's how you add an action button to one slide. But let's say you want to insert an action button on all slides. So I'll just delete this. Now let's say I want to insert an action button on all slides. What I'll do is I'll use a feature called the slide master view. So I'll come to the view tab, then under the masters view group, I'll select slide master. Now I'll scroll up and select the very first slide that I have over here. Now once you've done that, go to the insert tab, then under shapes, select the action buttons group and select the action button that you want to use. So again, I'll select this one, then click anywhere on your slide to place it. So I'll place it over here, then the dialog box will appear. Now under hyperlink to, I'll select that slide, then I'll want it to play a sound and I'll come and make a selection, then click OK. I'll just position that over there, and once that is done, the action button will be added on every slide. So once I'm done, I'll come back to view tab, then click normal view because I want to go back to the normal view. And as you can see, each and every slide I have has an action button. So that's how you add an action button to all slides. Now, if you want to test an action button, go to the slideshow tab. Then from here, select start from beginning. You can select start from the current slide. So I'll select that. And then when I click on it, you can see the effect that it'll have. Now, once you've confirmed that it's working as you wanted it to, right click anywhere and select End Show. And it will take you back now to your presentation where you can make further edits. Now, let's say you want to edit an action button. So what you'll do is that you'll select the action button. Then under the Insert tab, come to the Links group and select the Action command. And the Action Settings dialog box will appear. Now, from here, you can edit the action button. So you can select to change, you can choose to change the sound or whatever you want to change, then click OK. And the changes will be added, they'll be made. Now again, if you want to change the appearance of an action button, select the action button again, then click the Format tab. Then if you want to change now the style or color, you can use the styles group, the shape styles group over here and change that. So let's say I want to change the shape fill. I can come here and choose a different shape fill. I can choose a different shape outline and add the shape effect if I want to. So that's one way of changing the appearance of an action button. And if you want to change the shape of an action button, just come to the Edit Shape command, then change shape, then come here and select the new shape that you want to work with. So I'll select this, then the dialog box will appear again, click OK, And as you can see, I've changed the shape of my action button.